How to make your content truly international? Tip number one, use AI translations. A few years ago, building separate language versions for a content heavy website was a hassle. But now, with tools like DeepL and ChatGPT, you can quickly create high quality translations and publish your content in the native language of each market you operate in. In my opinion, this is a huge opportunity for companies with global ambitions to not only boost their SEO in local markets, but also outperform their competitors. Another advantage is that with automated translations, you can rapidly test the markets you are interested in. So, for example, you can auto translate the entire website into, let's say, German, and it will only take you like 15 minutes. And then you can run, for example, AdWords campaign to see how the market responds to your offering. And within a few days or weeks, depending on the campaign duration, of course, you can have real data about how this market reacts to your offering and decide if you want to go all in or test another country.